everybody who is watching this video. I'm very happy to have you today, and I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you into this fantastic moment of learning the beauty of basic mathematics. Tell your neighbor, if you're watching at a group or if you're watching with your colleagues, then tell your neighbor it's a time now to enjoy the beauty of basic mathematics for the Form 2, right? So my name is Olenjolai&Neki from beautiful countryside called Tanzania. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you. You're warmly welcome into this online school, which is called the Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School in square bracket Olenjolai. There is no M, okay? There's no M, just you have to write only Olenjolai in square bracket. Simultaneously, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you into one of our YouTube channels that's called Tanzania Online O-Level Seki School in square bracket Olenjolai. So we have so many things that to teach you. Remember that our main goals in this online ordinary secondary school is to train and teach serious students. So you might be asking yourself so many questions, but one of the questions, what divisions we have in Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School? That's the good questions. Well, so the vision that we have in this online school is we like to teach and incubate, mentor, lead, encourage, and even also, and even training some students who will be ready to extract knowledge and wisdom from the formal and or informal classroom instructions, combining with the knowledge and wisdom extracted from the Word of God that returns in the Holy Bible in order to solve real-life problems. So our visions have 4 parts. The first part, to extract knowledge and wisdom from the formal or informal ordinary education. The second part, to extract knowledge and wisdom from the Word of God returns in the Holy Bible. And then the third part, combining these two, knowledge and wisdom. And the fourth part, to solve real-life problems in our community. So that's the vision that we have, and the main objective of Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School in square bracket Olenjolai is to teach and train students about how they can solve small real life problems according to the knowledge that they acquired in daily life and also in class. So we'll be teaching you basically mathematics and science subjects in this channel at this moment. Later on, so we can also supplement. Remember that also these programs does not eliminate you to just to attend your ordinary school educations in any of private or government school, but also you can be benefit from these programs if you are a private candidate in ordinary secondary education. So possible that you've been looking the teacher to help you in basic mathematics, then believe me that this is the right place where that we are going to have so many concepts that we are going to teach them in a very simplified method and simplified way so that every student can acquire it. Also, we are teaching the Form 1 by using 2 languages, Swahili and English, but we are teaching all the Form 2s by using the English language because we've taught them in Form 1. So again, we have so many departments in this in Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School. One of the departments is called Basic Mathematics, where we are teaching you 4 subjects: Basic Mathematics Form 1, Basic Mathematics Form 2, Basic Mathematics Form 3, Basic Mathematics Form 4. And then the subject of the day is Basic Mathematics. This is chapter 1, Exponents and Radicals. This is subtopic 1. I'm going to teach about subtopic 1, which is called Exponents. This is session 3. It means we taught you 3 sessions before. And this we are going to deal with solving questions of exercise 1.1a. And then these contents are for the Form 2 or for the class 10. Well, that's what you have to cover. So before we go into today's lecture, I would like just to share with you briefly about other stuff that we have in our online institution. We have an online library where that we're equipping our students with books and materials which will be relevant for them to go through even further from the point that we are teaching them. The first weapon or the first tool, we call it in Basic Mathematics Syllabus for Ordinary Secondary Education, Form 1 through Form 4. This is the syllabus, actually that students will use this syllabus for 4 years education. It means for the Form 1, during his Form 1, during his Form 2, Form 3, Form 4. So that's very important. So make sure that you have a copy of this book or the book itself. You can order this book through online ordinary secondary school in Square Bracket Olenjolai, and you have to go to the descriptions of this video so you can order it. And you have, in case you want to see too much details about the costing and even the shipping cost, because shipping costs vary from one region to another regions, just to go to the click these buttons of show more, then you'll see the link. Show more. You see the link of the links that will send you into the video of descriptions of books for the ordinary secondary education. Again, we have another books, so you can order and you can ship in any regions of 31 regions of Tanzania. We have again another reference book, which is called Secondary Basic Mathematics Book 2, and we are going to use this book in this course. So I recommend every student to have this book, because we are not going to write some of the questions, we'll just direct the students to do in his own, because we want our students to be active. So you have to make sure that also you order this book, and we can ship to you, or you can find in any local shop. Again, we have other two tools. The third tools is question and answer book, because when we are learning the ordinary secondary educations, we also test our understanding by asking questions and answering. So this is Form 2 Mathematics Review, Problems and Solutions from 2003 through 2019. So I recommend every student to have, because we are going to use this book in order to prepare you to win and just to pass your basic mathematics exams of the Form 2. Again, we have the 4 weapons that we call it the 4-figure mathematical tables and formulas. So this is also a very important book. You can order all of these books from the online, from the online of ordinary secondary school, from online library of Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School, Square Bracket Olenjolai. So you can order the package of this book. The shipping cost will be minimum compared if you order one. Okay, so that's the piece of information that you want to share with you. But another piece of information that possibly right now or later on, you can feel from your heart that you want to offer God your free willing thanksgiving for this program. Well, you can offer it through these programs, through this telephone number 0759-745-3331. Or in case you want to do for the bank transactions, make sure that you press or you click the buttons of show more, so for you to see the bank informations, for you to offer your free willing thanksgivings of any amount in order to support the running cost. We expect to have more than 600 videos of ordinary educations in 3 subjects: basic mathematics, chemistry from 1 through Form 4, and also physics from 1 through Form 4. So again, another piece of information is, in case you want to join into our online school, you have to click these buttons of subscribe, and then you choose the bell click the bell, and then you see the options of all. Why should you subscribe? That's a good questions. The aim of you to subscribe is in order to get notifications once we upload any lecture or any video, because we are going to add or upload at least 1 lecture in our YouTube channel that called the Tanzania Online O-Level Seki School in Square Bracket Olenjolai. So you have to make sure that you subscribe so you get notification. For example, this is session 3. So after session 3, the next sessions will be session 4. So for you to get notification from the YouTube community, you have to press these buttons of subscribe in order to get notifications once the video of session 3 about the exponents and radicals will be uploaded in our platforms or in our unique YouTube channels for ordinary secondary school students. Then you'll get notification. So don't forget this. You have to click it right now and enjoy it's the beauty of subscribing into our YouTube channel, because we won't let you down. We are going to use different techniques and different concepts. We are going to simplify the concepts as well as we can, and we are going to encourage you to love basic mathematics for the rest of your life, because it's a subject of life. We daily apply basic mathematics in our daily life. So, before we taught you about just the exponents, what the means of exponents. So today, let us go, because we have the session 1, solving problems of exercise 1.1a. I'm not going to solve all of them, but I want to encourage you to solve few of them. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you example 5. Example 5, and this you have to refer exercise. EX means exercise 1.1a. Then question number 1. So let me solve some of them, and then I will give you the homework. I will leave you the quiz and the homework. Okay. So here we have 14 questions or 14 Romans. Okay, 14 Romans. We are not going to solve all of them, so I'm going to solve some of them. So the question says that in each of the following, indicate the base, and exponent. Indicate the base and exponent. Okay. So let us begin with the first one. It is 6 power 17. Let us go for C. It is negative 10 power 19. Then let us go to F. From F, it is 50 power 0. Then let us go to J. J, it is a half over 17. Then let us go to N. N is 7 plus X power N. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5. Then I'll leave 7 for you. 5. 14 minus 5. It's 9. So 9, you can solve 9. Solution, quickly. The questions ask us to indicate the base and exponent. So the first mistake, you have to recall what we taught you in session 1 and session 2. That we taught you that the base, this our exponent, this give us what? Give us a certain function. So give us a certain value. Okay, base or exponent is equal to, or this give us what? Exponent. So base is always raised by what? By exponent. So if we come at this point for 1a, 6 is base. 6 is base, and 17 is exponent. Is exponent of that. Of this given function, or given number. Then you have C, it is negative 10 power 19. So don't worry about the sign before the base. So here we say the base is negative 10. And the exponent is 19. Then you go for F. F, we have 50 power 0. So say the base base for this case is 50. And the exponent is 0. Exponent is 0. That's all. When you go for n, n will be given 7 plus x power n. So the base is 7 plus x, and the exponent is n. That's all. So ladies and gentlemen, we go for example 6. How to refer exercise 3.1, no, 1.1a. Question 1. And this is almost from B to N. So in each of the following, indicate the base and exponent. It is 7 power 4. 7 power 4. D it is 3 power 800. It is 6 power 2. G Y power 25. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is negative what? 10. Negative 14 power N. That is H. I is 5 over 6. J so before J, K is 19. 101. Now it's negative 75 or 8. Then M is X plus Y power N. X plus Y power N. So in each of the following indicate the base and exponent. B is 7 power 4, D it is 3 power 800, E it is 6 power 2, G it is Y power 25, H negative 14 power N, I is 5.6 or 5 out of 6 power 9, K it is 19 power 101, L it is negative 75 power 8, M it is X plus Y power N. So I believe that you can go through these questions. These are very simple questions for a serious student. So example 7, refer exercise 1.1a, question 2. Question 2. Write the exponent form. Write the expanded form of each of the following. We have 10 questions. Each of the following A to 7 power 2, B have the 3 power 3, C have 10 power 3, and this is your homework. D you have 2 power 6. This is simple also. This is your homework. This is homework 3. A it's 9 power 1. A, B, C, D, E, F. It's negative Y power 3. So this is a homework. G negative 99 power 5. E, F, G, H. Okay, 9 over 10 power 5. GHI negative 0.3 negative 0.35 power 4. J so this one will be a homework. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Just me. So I'm going to solve 6 expression and then solve the rest. Therefore, just as simple. Solution. Write the expanded form of each of the following. So it's simple, just write the expanded form and being given 7. Base of 7, exponent 2. This is equal to 7 times 7. Then we go for B. This is the expanded form. B will be given negative 3 power 3. So we have to write negative 3 times. It's negative 3. This is the answer. Then we go for Roman C. C it is homework. D it's homework. We go for Roman E. So Roman E we have 9 power 1. So simply this is 9 times 1 or 9 times 9. 9 times 1. 9 times 1. So this is 9 times 1. That's the expanded form. Then again we have what? F. F is. So F, Roman F. There we have what? Have negative y power 3. Negative y power 3. So simply this is equal to negative y times negative y times negative y. This is the expansion. So Fg, G we have negative 99 power 5. Not work. So write negative 99 5 times. It's negative 99. Don't find the value. That's right. Negative 99. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the expansion. Then you have what? H. This was your homework, but I did it. H, we have 9 over 10. This is equal to 9 over 10 plus 9 over 10 plus 9 over 10 plus 9 over 10 plus 9 over 10. That's H. Then I is negative 0.35 times negative 0.35 times what? Negative 0.35 times negative 0.35. So this is the expanded form of negative 35 power 5. 4. So this is the response, just negative 0.35 times negative 0.35 times negative 0.35 times negative 0.35. So now you can try the rest. 2 power 6, 10 power 3, and 0.67 power 2 power 3. Those are very simple questions. Then we'll be done with question 2. Question 3 is all about revisions of what we taught you in the previous examples of session 2. So now we are going for example 8. Please have to refer exercise 121A, question 3, Roman 1 to Roman L. So you should refer this book. I won't write this question, I'll just write a part of. So this is homework 3. So write in power form the following expression. And then indicate the base and the exponent in each. In each case. So just write few and then the rest we have to write ourselves. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Then D is 19. K, it is 0.3. You have to write for the remaining letters times 0.3 and 0.3 times 0.3 times 0.3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, it's V times V times V. That is then homework 3, and this is example 9. Same prefer exercise 1.1a, question 4. Roman 1 through Roman L. So the question states that find the value we want active students. We have to teach you how you can use the book. Find the value of the following. Sign field. Find this book, have it, and then do the homework. 3. The question for the homework 3. So this is example 10, concept. You have to refer exercise 1.18, question 5, Roman 1. This is a little bit to Roman 8, little bit concept. I didn't teach you this concept. Express A in 5 as power with base 5. B 6 as power with base 6. Base 6. Then C 17, 28 as power with base 12. D 16 as power with base 2. E as power with base 10. So we have 5 questions there, which are very interesting, and we are going to help you. We should solve 3. Yes. We're going to solve 3 questions and then we leave. Okay, because this new concept, let me leave this one as homework. Homework 3, because I left so many homeworks for you. So solution. So in order to solve this kind of the questions, we'll be given a number or a value is equal to 25 as power with base of 5. So if you remember that generally say that we have a number, this is equal to base power exponent. So we didn't teach you yet about laws of exponent, when that we can simplify these functions simply. And also we didn't teach you about radicals, for example, the square root of 25, how do you find it? So we have to express 25 as power with base. So when you say this is power, so base and exponent equal to power. So this is what you call power. Okay? So we have 5. So base is 5. So we have to think how many times should we multiply 5 itself in order to get 25. So this is trial and error. So if you take 5 times 5, you get 25. So if this is the case, it means that 5 power 2 is equal to 25. So then we say that to express what? So to express 25 as power with base 5 is, so we say that the power the power for this case is what? 5 squared. And the rest false. For simple, just simple numbers like this one, the process is easy. So let us go for B. B again, we have a number which is equal to 60, which you can express as power. So to express as power, should have what? Base, what? Exponent. So we have to find the exponent. So the base should be 6, what the exponent. So to find the exponent, we have to think and try and error for this time. But later on, it will be very simple for you to compute such kind of a problem. But this moment, because we didn't teach you some other concept to simplify this problem, we just use trial and error. So you have to think. We need to get 36. So how many times should you multiply 6 to get 36? So if you take 6 times 6 is equal to 36. So how many 6 do you have? 2. So it means 6 power 2 is equal to 36. So simply say that the power for this problem, the power is 6 squared. So we go for B, where that we have 4 digits. We have 4 digits. How to deal with that? So for C, we'll be given 17, 28. Then the base is 12. So remember that we are looking for what? For power. So to get the power of the number, we should know the base, which is known. Times what? Exponent. So this is the first step. Okay. So you have to record this one. So you have to find it. So the second step, identify exponent. Value of exponent. So how? So you have to think, how many times should we multiply 12 in order to get 1,728? So if you take 12 times 12, we get 144. Okay, again, if you multiply this 12, then we get what? Then we get 1,728. So for that case, if you have 12 times 12 times 12, this is equal to 1,728. How many 12 do you have? 3 12. So here we have 12. Now today is equal to 1,728. So therefore, say that the power of A is 12 power 3. But the response. D, it's your homework, you can try. Let us go to A, which seems like complex. Okay? So the number is 1 trillion. Of course, remember that this is 1 million, this is 1 billion, that is 1 trillion. 1 trillion. Okay. So we have to write in power, it's base of 10. So the first step, we have to record the basic formula. And the basic formula is power is equal to base or exponent. Base for exponent. So we have what? We know the base. We don't know the power, but we know the base should be there. We have to look for what? Exponent. So find exponent. identify the exponent. So to identify the exponent, this is second step. Identify the exponent. To identify the exponent, we say that we have to think, we have to take 10 times, how many times until we get this 1 billion. So you can get 1 trillion. So take times 10, times 10, you get 1,000, you get 10,000, you get 100,000, you get 1 million, you get 10 million, we get 100 million. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you get 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, times 1 trillion. So if you multiply with this one, get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So simply this is equal to 10 as base power 12. So simply say that power for Roman E, this is power is equal to 10 power 12. That's the response. Okay? So let me end with example 11. Example 11. So it's example 11. This is homework. Also refer the book Basically Mathematics, Secondary Basic Mathematics from 2. Question exercise what? Exercise 1.1a. Question 6. Question 6. Solve Roman A to E. Very simple. Roman A to E. Try it. Then submit. Submit your homework. Your homework 3 in comment section. Comment section of this video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen of Form 2, this is the end of session 3, where I have been teaching you how you can solve problems of the first exercise in the first topic of exponents and radicals. I believe that you've enjoyed so much, and make sure that you do all the questions that I left for you so that you can grasp the concepts and keep the concept in your mind for the rest of your life. And then I invite you to join me in the next session, which will be session 4, where I will teach about laws of exponents, so you may enjoy the beauty of exponents and the radicals. So I invite you, and also I insist you to subscribe into our YouTube channel so that you get notifications once session 4 will be publicly uploaded or publicly published, will be published to the public, to every student worldwide. Ask any question in the comment section, please. Read the descriptions of this video. Remember to offer your free reading Thanksgiving offering for any amount through that telephone number. Invite your friends, your colleagues to enjoy the beauty of Basic Mathematics Form 2, and then stay focused and then just to keep on enjoying Basic Mathematics and make it your favorite subject. So this is the end of that sessions. May God bless you. I thank God who have been with me during the preparations and even at this time when I've been teaching you. And I thank God also who have given you a chance to be with me. I invite you in the join me in the next session of session 4, where I will teach about laws of exponents, So may God bless you abundantly and keep you. And I'm always praying for all my online students, and also I ask you to pray for me. And may God bless and keep you safely until we meet in the next session. This is Olenjolai from Tanzania. May God bless.